My lips went from this to this in just 2 months. Here's how. Ever since my friend recommended me to try ALANNA's lip pigmentation kit, I started using it every day and documented my journey. This is how my lips used to look 2 months ago on day 1. I had dark corners, uneven tone, and too dehydrated. As mentioned on their website, I started following their lip care routine each and every day. First visible change I could notice in week 2, my lips were feeling much more hydrated and moisturized. By week 4 and 5, I could see the pigmentation reduce significantly from my upper lip. It's almost week 8 now and you could see my lips have completely transformed. No dark corners, much pinkish, I could feel the plum. I have tried various products in the past, but no product has given me such results. I'm so glad I documented my before and after journey because I can see a clear difference on my lips now than it used to be. If you have dark chapped lips or you want pink and plump lips, then you should definitely give ALANNA's kit a try.